came across this post where a homeowner is asking for help from other landscapers because she came home to see this. And when I first saw this image, I didn't know what was going on. I had to take a closer look and read the description. She's having a French drain installed on her property, but something is amiss. The landscaper backfilled the trench with cut up old tires, which is just crazy to me. This is just wild to me. One, because this seems very wrong from an environmental standpoint because, there could be leaching of all kinds of stuff from the rubber into the ground, but that's not the only thing. It's a lot of work to cut up old tires. So either this person spent tons of time doing this or they purchased these cut up old tires for this purpose, and they were actually defending it according to the homeowner, saying that this is a superior way to create a French drain. So typically when you install a French drain, you have your trench and then you're going to put some type of perforated pipe in the bottom of the trench and you would wrap it with a filter cloth. And then ideally you're going to put some larger, like 3 to 4 inch rock around the pipe. And then as you move upward, you can do a little bit smaller pipe and eventually you're going to get some soil on top of the drain. So that way you can then grow grass over the top of it. And it sounds like the landscaper may have done those first steps with the pipe, but they are insisting on using the cut up tires instead of the rock over the top of it. And it's just nuts to me that this would even occur to them. Now, I'm all for recycling materials, and tires are a material that do need to get recycled somehow in order to keep them out of landfills, but I don't think that this is necessarily the best way to recycle tires. Anyway, if this were my house, I would be telling him to get those tires out of the trench, and let's just go ahead and use the proper rocks for this drain system. But what would you do if you were the homeowner in this situation? Have you ever heard of anyone using tires in this way? For me, it's a first.